You guys, how's it going? I just bought the new iPhone 11 Pro. This is the white version and this is the 256 gigabytes. By the way, I made a little vlog going to the Apple Store here in Italy to buy it, and I'll leave you with the video. Okay guys, so there it is. We just came back from the Apple Store. I bought the iPhone 11 Pro, the small one, the normal one, and it is 256 gigabytes. So let's unbox it. It was very cool. We tried and we have seen all the colors there, but I preferred this color here. The box is black. I think just the Pro version is black. And there it is. Whoa, already the phone. Look at this. Whoa, this matte finish is very, very cool. Here in Europe, by the way, we have this thing that we couldn't avoid putting in, but it's very cool. The tripod camera. Okay, so here's the phone. Look at this. They had to put this space for the camera. There is designed in Apple, California, of course. And they have the new adapter, which is bigger, finally, but it's just for the Pro version. The other versions, that's the normal one. This one is for fast charging, so finally Apple heard us and they made it a little bit bigger. And the earbuds, so there it is. This is what's inside. Okay, so there it was. I wanted to show you the video here, the iPhone, but I'm so stupid because I'm using the new iPhone to record. So I cannot show you the new phone to you, but here is the box. It's so cool. For the Pro version, it's black. I hope you like the video. And by the way, I'm trying to record the first video with this iPhone and it's very cool. I tried for a couple of days, 3 days, and it's very, very, very nice. Super fast. The camera is great. And I'm using the front-facing camera right now. So it's the first time that I see myself recording a video. So that's very nice. So by the way, this was the unboxing. I really like it. I think this is for the design the best iPhone that I've ever tried, that I've ever bought. And yeah, 10 out of 10, really liked it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll leave you. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I've been flying from town to town.